Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Unreal Engine project living in a browser. It's a free trial. You don't need a credit card or anything. And the use case is maybe you're a student and you've been working on a project and you want somebody to be able to try it out online and they don't have a gaming rig. Maybe they have a laptop or something. So, okay, let's get into it. Again, it's pretty simple and it's basically free with a few caveats. So I have a gaming rig here. This is my development system. I have a third person template with a jungle asset brought in. And you can see that it's fast and it's responsive. And I'm going to show you how to do Arkware. But before we get into it, let me just show you what that looks like. So here we are on their service. I've already uploaded my project and I've created a share ID. And so when I copy that, imagine you're somebody else and they've sent you this link. And they paste it in their desktop and they go. Arkware is going to spin up that project. It's going to load the Unreal Engine service on their remote server, and they're going to pixel stream the video to you. So you can, it's a little bit clunky, and notice that the free version has this word mark. I think when you pay like something like $10 or $15 a month, that will take this away. But notice this is the same project that I was just running locally, but it's running on the Arkware servers. So that's what we're going to do today. If that's of interest to get your Unreal project on the Arkware streaming platform, then that's what we're going to do quickly. And they offer very, very good documentation, but this is just sort of the 5-minute overview. Okay, so I'm going to close that and notice that on my trial, I've used up 15 minutes of my 60-minute trial. I guess so every minute that you're in that experience costs you a minute. So let's go back to our Unreal project here. And there's only a few things you have to do. The first is before you zip and upload that project to Arkware, you need to enable the pixel streaming plugin. So we're going to go edit, plugins, pixel. And I enabled the second, pixel streaming 2. You see here? I did that. It made me restart the engine, but that's pretty much it. And then another thing you want to do if you're new is go edit, project settings, maps, and you want to make sure that the map that you want to load is selected here under game default. If you had just opened a different map, it may not actually load when they start the game. So make sure that your map is selected. Another caveat is that the package build has to be under 10 gigabytes. So if you've brought in a ton of assets, make sure that you optimize the package on export. I'll attach a link to that in the description. So you've enabled pixel streaming. You've made sure that your map is selected in project settings. You've maybe optimized a little bit. And when you come to platforms, go package project and click on this package project button. What that's going to do is it's going to go through all these. It's basically going to cook everything, and when it's ready, here's how you're going to find where it did its thing. You're going to want to right click on any asset in your project and say show in Explorer. So you can see your Unreal projects, pixel, content. So it's going to save it under Windows. And so this is going to be the local game. So you want to try and click on that locally and just make sure that it works as it should. That's the package version, not the editor version. You can't close it by escape, so you have to press Alt F4. And then what you want to do is, go back to your project and just right click on that Windows package project and create a zip. And that's what I've done here. You see that Windows? Then once you have that, let's go to Arkware. You're going to sign up for the trial. You're going to go to projects. You're going to create your new project and their packages. That allows you to drag and drop. So we're going to take this here, the Windows. We're going to drag and drop it in there. Now, I've already done it, so I won't do it again. And now notice that my first one failed. You see this? It like uploaded and then it went to test and it couldn't test because I hadn't enabled the pixel streaming plugin. So I enabled the streaming plugin, dragged that zipped project, it unzipped it, tested it, found that it worked, and then it's good. Okay, so then it's upload. Then we come to the share ID and we say create new share ID, give it a name, and then you choose your project. So mine was project 1. And that is basically it. Then you just go to your Share ID and copy that link. And like I said, go to a browser. It spins it up and you're good to go. I will link to the official documentation and such, and I'll link to the file on shrinking your project, because remember, the free trial is only 10 gigs. I think if you're paying for a month, which you may want to do anyway to move the watermark, you may get 15 gigs or something. Gigs. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll do my best to answer. A great day and good luck.